In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your idibu v3 system through to the eboss recruitment CRM. We're going to use the Chrome extension and also the CRM handoff plugin that comes as a standard part of the new idibu v3 package. Telling your Chrome extension how to talk to eboss takes seconds. Get the eboss link from your idibu account manager, paste it in and click add. The CRM handoff plugin lets us talk back to our CRM, in this case eboss. And it comes with various different configuration options that lets decide if we're going to do things like syncing our notes back to the CRM. And in this case you can see I've decided that if I choose the ATS status send to eboss, then it's going to send the candidate through to the CRM. So let's go through the full 360 experience of using idibu to acquire candidates for eboss. Starting in idibu, I'm going to add a new vacancy. This redirects me back to eboss because we want to make sure that all new vacancies are created inside the recruitment CRM. So now I'm going to add the vacancy details into eboss. With my new vacancy, all I've got to do is click the idibu icon. And from here I've got access to all the key candidate acquisition services that idibu currently offers out. We can post out adverts, we can search CV databases including remote CV databases, we've got full outsourced recruitment services, we can provide media buying services, and there's various ways which we can add candidates manually. But for this demo I'll stick with posting out some adverts. The job post process has now been started and you can see all the key information has been brought over to the idibu system. We can choose the different job boards that we'd like to post our adverts out to, and we're done. And you can see now how easy it is to post out adverts from the eboss CRM. Applications flowing back into idibu all go through the traffic light system. I can now quickly preview my applicants and decide if they're right for this role or not. If I want to pass them through to the CRM, in this case all I've got to do is click send to eboss. And back in eboss you can see that David and Joe have both been fed through to the vacancy that we're working on, this CAD designer. And if I click through to David's profile, you can see that key information such as employment history have all been sent through from the idibu system. Having data split between multiple systems is a key worry for a lot of recruitment agencies, and idibu addresses this by syncing notes back through to the eboss system. So if you're using idibu features such as SMS or other mobile communication tools or other candidate engagement tools that are offered by idibu, you know that a note added into idibu will be a note added back into eboss. Finally, I'm going to show you how you can use the idibu Chrome extension to grab candidate data from other websites. The extension can be configured to work on any other website, CV databases that you search. It can be configured to grab candidate data and pass that through to idibu and therefore to CRMs like eboss. So here I'm going to demo it on LinkedIn. I've got Bart, who's our technical product manager at idibu. If I click the idibu icon, it brings up the dialog box so I can add this candidate through to my vacancy. I'm going to choose the CAD designer. I'll assign status send to eboss, which means that Bart's going to be sent straight through to the CRM system. I click add candidate. Back in idibu, I can see that Bart has been added to my vacancy here. And back in eboss, if I refresh my candidate list, and Bart's now been added to this system and linked to the role that we're working on. Thanks very much for listening. If you want to get in touch, just email us at hello@idibu.com or call us on one of the telephone numbers below.